Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back out here in the shop. It is very cold, but we're going to work on the Pontiac 6000 wagon. So Auxito reached out and they wanted me to try out some LED light bulbs in this thing. So I said, sure, why not? As some of you probably recall, we have octane lighting, sealed beam, adapters, housings, replacements. This car originally had sealed beams. These have replaceable bulbs. I'm pretty sure they're H4, so I went with H4s with this kit. Let's hope they are H4s. Yeah. So, we're going to pull these out, get these bulbs installed. Apparently you can adjust the bulb itself and how it shines.
That's pretty neat.
And then we'll see how these look. These are 6500K color temperature, 50,000 hour lifetime. It's pretty good. Says they're easy to install, high brightness, so it'll be good. Before anybody gives me any crap about it, we are going to adjust these properly so they don't blind people.
I didn't see what I was doing.
I am blinded on the daily driving by SUVs and all the new cars with LED lights. And if you want to say these are for off-road use only, I live in Michigan. Everywhere I go, it feels like I'm off-roading because our roads, they're great, especially this time of year.
That's what she said.
So let's start by getting the front grille off, and then we'll get the two outer housings off, and we can put these LED bulbs in there, and we'll see how they work. So there's a bunch of screws in the front of this. None of it's really held together properly because this car was wrecked when I got it. So it's just, you know, good enough. Just set that like that. Yes, we can. All right, to get these off, there's two Phillips screws at the bottom, two Phillips screws at the top. This trim ring comes off, and then we can take these out. Voila, just like that. And we are out. These have a little protective boot on the back, like so, and then there's the bulb. And that is our regular halogen headlight bulb. Let's open the box and see what it looks like. First things first, cut the plastic, and then we'll be able to get into it. I can hardly feel my hands because it is cold. All right, moment of truth here. Oh, look, it's got little gloves to use. Some zip ties, instruction manual, and the bulbs. This looks like a really nice kit. Well, there's our bulb. It's definitely the right bulb. Now apparently, yeah, see, you can turn these to adjust the direction that they go. Apparently that adjusts how the beam looks, which I already don't know how it's going to look through these housings.
How neat is that?
I'm thinking just having it off to the side like that is going to be the best option. So we'll take this bulb out of here. We'll put this bulb in here. Fits perfect. Get this stuff around the fan, like so. Like so, there you go. It's in the housing. It's got a cooling fan on the back. I'm not sure that we will use the little booty anymore. Well, maybe I can take that out. Then we can fit our boot over it. So maybe that'll help keep moisture out. And then we can reinstall the bulb like so. There we go. Let's plug it in, see what happens. All right, we're plugged in. Let's turn the lights on. Oh, that's bright. That is bright. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get this housing reinstalled so we can compare the LED and the halogen. Actually, before we do that, let me get you guys back here so you can see what I see. Here's a pretty good comparison. Obviously, the driver's side here is the LED bulb. Passenger side is the regular halogen bulb. You can already see the difference in brightness. Now, if I hold this thing, we'll put it up a little higher, and I turn this bulb with my shaky hands, you can kind of see how the beam pattern changes. So that's pretty cool. Let's get this installed. Now that they are both installed, there's a better comparison. I think you got to adjust it up a little bit when we adjust the headlights, but that should be much brighter. So let me get the other side installed here, and then we'll get them adjusted, and maybe we'll take it for a quick drive and see what they look like. Alright, so here we are with both of them installed. Definitely bright. I think the driver's side one needs to go up to kind of match the passenger side. You can see how this one's lower than that one. I think we'll be good. So to adjust these, we turn them off so I can show you. To adjust these, up and down is this screw right here. And then side to side is this screw in here, which you can't see because it's dark. So I will be turning this screw in to adjust the light up. So let me get that done, and then we'll put the grill back on it, and then we'll take it for a drive. Alright, so there we go. Front end's all back together. Looks pretty good. Now we just gotta go take it for a drive. Those are way too bright. Alright guys, here we are out for a drive. headlights are much brighter than what they used to be. However, I do think they may be pointed down just a little bit too far. Definitely should have brought a screwdriver with me to adjust these up a little bit. All right, adjusted up a little bit. That's better. That's bright lights. That's low beams. Maybe I need a set of these for the high beams. They'll definitely light up more of the road than the regular lights did. But they're not so high that it's going to blind oncoming traffic. You know, if you want to see more at night, high beams do work pretty decent. I am pretty happy with these. Good amount of the road, light stuff up much better, all around an improvement. Kind of brings this car up to more modern day standards, which is good because if you've ever driven one of these 80s cars with the factory sealed beam headlights, they just aren't very bright. Oh, this car's fun to drive. Alright guys, so there you go. Some Auxito LED lights. I'm happy with them. They're nice and bright, they fit good, they're built good. Now if you want to grab yourself some of these lights, you can check out the link down in the description. It will take you there, and you can purchase some of these. If you use the code rear.engine.shop, you can get 15% off. So head on over to that website, check them out, order some for your car. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. We got more to come. Got some more stuff to do on this car.
That's pretty neat.
We have some parts over yonder for the 550, so we're going to do some work on that car as well here coming out very soon. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. It's free and it helps out. I will see you guys next time. Until then, take care.